We started out initially hoping, or I started out initially hoping, that we would affect one person living on the street's life. There have been a total of 1,000 homeless that we've had come through. And of those 1,000, we've put 10% of them into housing within a week of the event. Some of them even the evening of the event. This year we're looking at striking out at 20%, and we're really focused on the housing section and how we can assist with getting them the services necessary, not only to get into the house, but then to provide the follow-up services after. It all goes back to when I first brought the idea to Mike Sacklar, who suggested that we speak with Father Schlegel, and Father Schlegel's grasping of the idea from his past experience with it, and having the foresight to understand where this could lead and what it could do for the community at Creighton University. Of the people who've attended, the 200 plus at each event who go over to the healthcare area, 85% of them follow up after the event. So we've had very good numbers there. Well, it's interesting when you hear someone who is on the first bus to arrive and leaves on the last bus, and when they say to you, I've accomplished more in a day than I have in the last 2 years, that's really heartfelt. And what it causes the rest of us to think is, what services aren't we providing? What more can we provide? What do they need? Each year we add new services that we've learned aren't there from the previous year. I've been quite surprised, and what's more surprising are the comments. We provide surveys before and after the event, and to hear the comments from the navigators as they're leaving, talking about what their experiences have been and their understanding of what homelessness is. It's a complete 180-degree turn, and if you read the comments almost to a person, you couldn't read 5 of them without absolutely breaking down and crying. There's the 9-year-old girl who discovered oranges for the first time. There was another gentleman who came up who, after just getting a haircut, to Mike Sacklar, who runs the Sienna Francis House, and I were talking, and he was nonstop, literally couldn't stop talking. And when he walked away, Mike said, you know, he just got that haircut. He said he had not spoken more than yes or no to us in the last 6 months. I'm very grateful to Creighton and the Creighton community, to their volunteerism, and I think that starts at the top with Father Schlegel. In the studies that we've done with various other organizations, it's the management that leads, and you watch Father Schlegel and what he's done and how he's pushed Creighton to get involved in the community, and not just get involved, but stay involved and take it with you when you leave Creighton. There's a lot to be said for him.